안녕하세요. Beginner Korean Grammar. 아요, 어요, 해요. Informal sentence ending. 자, 여러분, 지금 뭐 해요? 한국 드라마 봐요. 자, 이 대화에서 해요, 그리고 봐요, something, 요, 보여요. 자, 오늘은 아요, 어요, 해요 문법 배워볼 거예요. Do you see 해요 and 봐요 in the conversation above? Today we are going to learn 아요, 어요, 해요 grammar pattern, which forms the basic ending of Korean sentences. It's very important grammar point for everyone starting Korean. So let's study together. 자, 그러면 시작해요. Let's check the meaning of this grammar. 의미. 자, I will explain in English the meaning of this grammar, but the explanation of this grammar is available in Chinese and Vietnamese and Indonesian and Arabic in the my YouTube descriptions, like self-study Korean with soulmate. So please check in the language you can comfortable with in my YouTube channel. 자, 그럼 I explain about this grammar in English. Korean verbs and adjectives have a basic form, which means dictionary form. But this isn't used as is in the real conversation. For example, 조금 더 크게 먹다, to eat. To eat is the basic form, but when speaking, you must change it to 먹어요 by attaching 어요 to the stem 먹. So the 요 ending attaches to the stem to show current actions or states, and is the most common and versatile way to speak politely in daily life. This expression must be placed at the end of a sentence. Today we will learn how to form it. 자, 그래서 오늘 이 문법 공부할 거예요. 자, let's see the form of this grammar, how to use in the sentence. 동사나 형용사의 어간, 뒤에 아요, 어요 또는 해요 중 하나를 붙여서 사용해요. All Korean verbs and adjective-based forms ends in 다. If you remove 다, you get the stem. So, by adding 아요, 어요, or 해요 to the stem, you create informal sentence ending. Let's get started. 아요. 자, when the last vowel of the stem is 아 or 오, we add 아요. 자, 그러면 for example, 받다. This base form means to receive. So 받다, the ending is 다, which means the dictionary form. We don't use this dictionary form when you're speaking. So we change something informal sentence speaking form, speaking language, that is 아요. 자, you should check the stem of this word. So there's vowel a. You should check the types of vowel. So if the word, the stem has vowel a, and we add 아요. 자, to receive, there's a vowel 아. So 받아요, 받아요, 받아요. 자, how do you pronounce this one? 받아요. So writing 받아요, but pronunciation should be 받아요. But this pronunciation, you please don't write when you're writing. Just pronounce like this. 자, second one, to sit. The dictionary form is 앉다, 앉다. So delete 다, and you can see the stem. So stem, what types of vowel? here. So add 아요. 앉아요. How do you pronounce this? 앉아요. You should sound 앉아요. Writing 앉아요. What about next one? 가다, to go. is 가다. 그러면 can you check the stem? The vowel type is 아 here. So 가아요. So grammatically, you should 가아요. But can you find the same vowel here? We have a two vowel so we don't need the same things two times. Just make one. So 가요. I go. 자, what about 타다? 타다 is to ride. So 타다, please check the stem types of vowel. The vowel types are. So we add 타아요. But can you see the same vowel are here? So can you contract, make one vowel? 타요. One syllable, 타요. 그 다음, to buy is 사다. So, 사다, 사아요. These words also have the same vowel So can you make one syllable? Yes. So 사요. Finally, 사요. 그 다음, to sleep is 자다. And the vowel type is here. 자아요. Can you make one? 자요. 그 다음, let's practice to meet. To meet is 만나다. 자, the stem is 만나, but the latest stem that ends with vowel here. So 만나요. Can you see the same vowel we used? So could you make one syllable 나아 put together? So 만나요. 자, 이렇게요. 자, 이번엔 let's move on the second. Let's move on the next. 자, when the last vowels of the stem is a or o, we add 아요. So we finish the vowel type a. So the stem, if the stem have the vowel o, we also use 아요. 자, for example, to be good in Korean, 좋다. 자, can you check the vowel here? O. So 좋아요. Be careful when you pronounce this one. 좋아요. H, the final consonant, doesn't sound. 좋아요, 좋아요. 자, 그 다음, next one. To come is 오다, 오다. Can you see the stem of this word? 오, 오. The vowel O, so we add 아요. 그러면 오, 아요. This is three syllable, but you can make the short form, contract form. So O and A, can you make one syllable? The double consonant. 오아, 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 와요, 와요. So to come, base form is 오다, and when you speak, you should say 와요, 와요. And to see is 보다, 보다, and there's a vowel type 오, 오. So 보아요, 보아요. Can you make one syllable? 보아, 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 봐, 봐요, 봐요. 네. 자, 그 다음 to know is 알다, 알다. So what vowels does it have the stem? 아. So this vowel we add 아요, 알아요, 알아요. 이렇게. 네. 자, 좋습니다. 그러면 let's move on the second types of 그 sentence ending 어요, 어요, 어요. 네. Compare with the first part 아요, 아요. And this 어요 sounds more negative. So we can say this is a negative types of ending and vowels. So when do we use this negative ending 어요? So the stem have vowel types 어, 우, 으, 이, 위. So when the last vowel of the stem is 어, 우, 으, 이, or etc., or not a or o, we add 어요. So negative types of vowel and add 어요. Also the negative ending. So to eat, let's check some example. To eat is 먹다, 먹다, 먹다. 자, can you see the last vowel of the stem? Which types of vowel? Here, 어. So 먹어요, 먹어요. How do you pronounce this one? The sound is 먹어요, 먹어요. Don't say 먹어요. You should write 먹어요, but you sound 먹어요. 그 다음, to wear is 입다, 입다. Can you check the last, the stem of the vowel is e. So add 어요, 입어요, 입어요. 자, how do you sound this one? 입어요, 입어요. You should write 입어요, but pronounce 입어요. So let's move on. To be small is 작다, 작다. Oh my god. 작다 is vowel A types here. So do you use 아요 or 어요? 아요, because here the stem have the vowel A. So 작아요. Oh, I'm sorry. This word should be the first part. My mistake. 미안합니다. 작아요. 그 다음, let's move on to read. To read is 읽다, 읽다. Can you check the vowel type is e. So 읽어요, 읽어요. 읽어요. How do you pronounce? 읽어요. 읽어요. You should write 읽어요. But you pronounce 읽어요. 읽어요. 자, to be and to have is 있다. 있다. Can you check the vowel types of the stem? Have e. So add 어요. 어요. 자, 어요. How do you make sound? 있어요. 있어요. The final consonant should be moved to next syllable. 있어요. 있어요. 자, 그 다음 what about the opposite word of 있어요? is not to be, not to have. 미안해요. 자, is 없다. 없다. 자, can you see the stem? What types of the vowel does the stem have? 어. So, 어요, 없어요. How do you pronounce it? 없어요. 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 And 네. 자, next one is to rest. To rest is 쉬다. 쉬다. So, what vowel does it have? We. Add 어요. So, 쉬어요. 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 And next one, to learn is 배우다. 배우다. Can you see the last syllable of the stem? The types of vowel is 우. So 배우어요. 배우어요. 자, there's the 우 and can you make one compound vowel, this single 우 and vowel? So 우어, 워. 배워요. 배워요. 자, 그 다음 to drink. The basic form is 마시다. 마시다. So the vowel, the type is e. 마시어요. Can you make one syllable here? 시어. The compound one is 셔. 마셔요. So to be delicious is 맛있다. 자, can you check the vowel type is e here? So 맛있어요. How do you pronounce it? 맛있어요. 네, 맛있어요. 자, 이렇게 했습니다. Let's move on the third types of this informal sentence ending. 자, we have some verb and adjective ending in 하다. This 하다 all change to 해요. So to study is 공부하다. 자, there's 하다. So whole change to 해요. 공부해요. 그 다음 to exercise is 운동하다. Please. 운동해요. To do homework. Please. 숙제하다. 숙제해요. 자, 그 다음 to work is 일하다. Please. 일해요. To make phone call is 전화하다. Please. 전화해요. To love is 사랑하다. Please 사랑해요. To like is 좋아하다. Please 좋아해요. To talk, to say 이야기하다. Please 이야기해요. 이야기해요. It's time to wrap up today's lesson. Today we learned about the Korean grammar 아요, 어요, 해요. It's very useful for indicating current actions or states and for using polite language in daily conversation. So please remember it well. So please practice these patterns 아요, 어요, 해요. So every day. And see you in the next video. 감사합니다.